So this customer had a finished basement, and she had some water damage where we had to remove her old existing flooring, take out the baseboards, replace drywall about 12 inches around. And in that process, we installed some new beautiful LVT flooring. In addition to that, she had us take a look at her bar area, and we got rid of her drop ceiling and we painted the rafters black and redid all the electrical to make it look beautiful. So in this area here, this ceiling, after we took the drop ceiling down, a lot of electrical wires hanging down here. We had to have our electrician come in here, run all new conduit, run all new cans. We put it back up into the joists, added these beautiful new 6-inch LED cans. We also added 3-inch LED cans above the bar area. We also mounted all her speakers for her jukebox, painted all the trim to match the black. There was a lot of electrical work and wires that we had to get rid of throughout the whole space. So this customer chose a beautiful MSI luxury vinyl tile. It's a Prescott. The color is Brookline, but they also chose this beautiful XL board, which is a 9-inch by 60-inch board with a beveled end, and it also has a surface groove to make it feel almost like it's hard scraped wood, which makes this huge space really look elegant with the bigger boards and the beveled finish. In the basement, she also had us add this light fixture above her pool table, which looks absolutely amazing. Very industrial look with pulleys that actually have a weight that adjusts the height of the fixtures. Looks gorgeous.